Hey Plant Pals, Mike the Cat Gardener, and today's video is on me tasting my pepper sauce. I did it on 9/27, 22, whatever. And I'm going to taste it, see if it's hot or not. I've got these bowls here because what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 4 different salad dressings with the pepper sauce and see whichever one I like best, I'm going to put on my salad here. So, let's get started. See which one I prefer. All right, so I'll mix them up individually as I bring them up. So I'm just gonna put these bowls aside for now. I'm going to first taste the pepper sauce to see how hot it is. It's sealed when I did it. Hopefully there's not much. It really sucked up all the vinegar. The vinegar was up to here, and it really drank it up. So probably have to add some more vinegar to it. Take this spoon here for a tasting. Whoo, it smells hot. I've got like habaneros and Scotch bonnets and everything, all kinds of things in here. It's hot, but it's good. It'll make good salad dressing. So I'm going to put in each one of these bowls. Use the one I'm going to mix first down here. I'm going to put some pepper sauce in each one. Oops, that's a lot. We'll see. Might be good. I'm going to make 4 different salad dressings. Let's see which one I prefer. And I think I will top this off with some vinegar. All right, I got my jar. And you just keep topping it up with the white vinegar and it'll keep making that nice hot sauce. All right. Put the lid back on. There's my pepper sauce. All right. Well, because I do have the pepper sauce, which is a vinegar, in here already, I don't really need balsamic, but I like balsamic-based salad dressing, so I'm going to put a few splashes of balsamic in there. All of them give a little pepper. Move that one over. Move this one over here. 2 of these, well, 3 of these are going to get olive oil. So I'm going to put some olive oil on that one. Some olive oil on this one. Some olive oil on this one. This one's going to get some mustard. Spicy mustard. I think I'll put yellow mustard in a different one. Just sometimes I like that difference. So I'll put yellow mustard in this one. I'm going to put clover honey in this one. And let's see here. I think I'll put honey in this one. No, honey in this one. I like the honey mustard combination. These are just, I'm just having fun. So you can do the same thing. All right, for sweetener in 2 of them, I'm going to use stevia. Got stevia in the raw. Gonna see how that tastes. Don't want too much sweet. Over here. And one in the back. Just gonna put some mayonnaise. Makes good dressing. Set that here for now. Oops, forgot salt. I always forget the salt. A little bit of salt. Alright, let's see if I forgot anything. Got vinegar, oil, mustard, and a little bit of something for sweetness. That's it. All right. I'm going to mix these up. Let's see which one I like the taste of best. And sometimes I'll use a little Ninja blender to, emulsify, to make sure they're really good and emulsified. So that one. The mustard helps emulsification, so the ones without mustard probably won't emulsify very well. We'll see. See, sometimes I like them with sweetener, and sometimes I like it with just the honey. Sometimes I don't like them sweet at all. Just different taste. Oops, I'm making a mess. Yeah, this one's not gonna mix up as good. That's why usually, if I use the mayonnaise, I'll use the little hand blender thing to make it good. And it's coming. Okay, cool. Oh, and I forgot. In this one, in the back, I'm going to add parsley that I dehydrated from my garden. So it'll be like a, oops, got some in my other one. Okay, well, I guess these other ones are going to get a little taste too. All right. See this mayonnaise one. Mix it up good. I have tasting spoons. Well, let's taste it with this one. So I'm going to taste this one first. That's good. Kind of ranchy. So that one's a winner. That one gets a thumbs up. This one down here. Also very good. Got the spoons here. That one's also excellent. Now I'm going to have a hard choice. That one with this stevia is really good. Tell you what, I'm going to do this. It's my salad. Do what I want. Clean spoon. I mean, now it doesn't matter. I'm not sharing this with anybody but myself. That's the winner. All right. That is going to go on my salad. I don't like too much dressing on my salad, so I'll save this dressing for later. Put it in a Tupperware. Grate myself some cheddar cheese. I like cheddar cheese on my salads. Doesn't have to be a lot. Hey, you want to get in the pool? Go ahead. You volunteer for tribute, you get to go in. All right. And some parm. Sometimes I put Swiss on there, but just going to do cheddar and parm for the salad. All right, there we go. That was my fun for the day. A little tasty salad with dressing that I made from my pepper sauce and my kale from my garden. The tomatoes are from my garden, and the lettuce is from my garden. Oh, and the parsley. So you can't beat that. Excellent. Alrighty. Hope that was sort of entertaining. I'm going to enjoy this salad. Thanks for watching. And plus, I got to clean up the mess I just made before my wife gets home. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.